Hi guys, thought I'd do a real quick unboxing video on a windshield wiper nozzle kit I got off of Amazon. Came in a package just like this. It's a soft package. I already opened it up, and there wasn't really a whole lot in here. I mean, the nozzle kit is pretty straightforward. Comes with 2 nozzles for your hood of your vehicle. Now this nozzle kit goes to several different vehicles. So just make sure you check on the Amazon site to make sure that it fits your vehicle. Mine was a 2006 Toyota Sienna. And I'll open these up here and show you what's inside. Looks like you get 2 nozzles, like I said. And these look like they just snap into place. And then you get 2 new rubber washers, probably that seal against your hood. Pretty straightforward product, pretty simple packaging.